Stay tuned to hear the simplest gift your child can give a friend. I'm Dr. Eileen Kennedy Moore, an author and clinical psychologist based in Princeton, New Jersey. Making and keeping friends takes effort, but small efforts really do add up. One of the easiest ways your child can make another kid feel good is by offering a genuine compliment. A compliment is like a small gift that says, "I see you and I like what I see." The key, of course, is that the compliment has to be sincere. Your child could compliment another kid's appearance by saying, for example, "I like your haircut," or "That shirt looks nice on you." But compliments about something the other kid did are more meaningful. Some possibilities are, "Nice catch," or "Your project turned out really good," or even, "That was kind of you to help him." It's also possible to compliment another kid's personal qualities. Examples might be, "You always make me laugh," or "It's so much fun to hang out with you," or "You're a great friend." Your child might want to practice giving a compliment to someone every day. And if someone gives your child a compliment, don't argue or minimize. That insults the complimenter's taste. Instead, just like when receiving any gift, the polite response is to say, "Thank you." For more ideas about helping children make and keep friends, check out my books at eileenkennedymoore.com or drfantastic.com. Click like and subscribe for more quick friendship tips to help your child.